I came from Andhra. I completed my BTech in Srinivasa Institute of Technology and Management Studies with 9 CGPA. I'm an incubation student. Whenever I came to the Jspiders, I have a new knowledge on the Java full stack. Without knowing the things, I joined Java full stack. But after joining, I learned each and every skill, and I gained much hands-on experience along with the theoretical in the Jspiders, and now I completed the Java full stack, and recently I got selected in a company called Signity with the 4 LPA. And I want to thank each and every faculty who taught me all the subjects to and make me to grow in all my skills. And I want to thank each and every HR for all the requirements and for all their support. And thank you, Jspiders Hebbal.